In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on BlueStacks. So first of all, once you have your BlueStacks, you can just go and open it up. Once it's opened, of course, if you are on the big view, like the desktop view, you should find these options on this left panel. So on this left panel, as you can see, we have a lot of options here. If you keep hovering them, you will be able to find those options. Of course, if you don't have them open, just go and click on that icon and it will open them, as you can see. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go to this option, and as you can see, it will open like this. Let me just try to hover it. So as you can see, you will find here Install APK. So of course, if you click on Ctrl+Shift+B, it will do the same, and this will let you download your APK files right away. This is of course if you have them downloaded into your desktop. You can also go to any browser and download it from there. For example, download any APK file, and you'll be able to install it in your BlueStacks without any problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.